So hello officers, how are you all? In today's video, we will see a coded blood relation question. Okay, it is the I would like to give the question 6 out of 10 marks. Okay, level of difficulty, because this is the question which you may have seen in mains exam. There are few doable question, but a few are the non doable. This is one of the question from doable questions. Okay, so it is not that much high level. Okay, but even we will even you must know the basic concept, I mean how to solve this type of question. Okay, I will explain the method, and before starting the video ahead, I would like to say few things. Okay, actually I regularly pause the videos in Hindi and English bilingual. Okay, for mains level, only for mains level, especially for this channel is completely dedicated to mains level. So if you are an average student and if you want to prepare for mains exam, then you can connect this channel. Okay, so here are the playlist. If you go down, you will find the playlist of Hindi and English. Just go simply to the playlist and save the playlist. Okay, now come back to the question. So what is given in the question? In the question it is given that there are 9 members in a 3 generation family, and the number of male member is more than the number of female member in the family. Okay, these are the code, and according to that instruction is also given. Here is the question. So one by one, let's start. First of all, K and R. K, you first read the instruction. What is the K and R mean? K is the grandson of B. K is the grandson of B. Okay, done. And then after, again, now we have, sorry, not B, this is R. Okay, now we have R. Now just focus, see where is R. R is here. R at the rate S. So at the rate is here. So R is wife of S. R is wife of S. Just read only this part. Okay, if you will read this also together, then it will be confusing. Just these are for only to just know that the coded blood relation is reverse or just simple. This is one of the type of simple question. Okay, this is not the reverse. Here we also in the upcoming videos we will see the reverse coded blood relation. Okay, so this is just only for that. So R is wife of S. R is wife of S. Then after, see the S. Where is S? S is here. S Y D. What is this? Y, either this is pound or euro. Okay, so S Y D means S is father of B. S is father. S is father of whose? B. S is father of D. S is father of D. So why I have written this separately? Because this can be it can be that the K is son of D. Okay, but it also can be that the K is son of D's sibling, any of the sibling. Okay, so here are the possibilities. That's why I have not written here D. Now see the next. We have now D. Come to D. D hash B. What is the meaning of hash? D is sister of V. D is sister of V. D is sister of V. Done. And DYA. VYA. V. What is the meaning of Y? V is father of A. V is father of A. And by, as I note this, obviously there must be wife of V. Okay. Now come to next. A. After A we have one more was in this side. Okay. A at the rate B. A at the rate B means, what is the meaning of at the rate? A is wife of B. A is wife of B. So A is wife of B. Okay, and after one more A we have here. So what is the meaning of dollar now? Dollar means check what is the meaning of granddaughter. Mean A is granddaughter of S. A is granddaughter of S. Okay, we already have this thing in this our arrangement. Done. After this S also done. Now see the other which are remaining. So D at the rate G. We have D already here, so we can place this condition. So D at the rate. What is the meaning of at the rate? Wife. D is wife of G. D is, sorry, D. Okay. D is wife of G. Done. And G Y K. G Y K. Pound or euro. I don't know what is the sign of which. The sign of which currency. Okay, so GYK means G is the father. G is the father of K. G is the father of K. Okay, so we have now this, so we can merge this, these two condition. R also I am writing here. R also I am writing just here. Just erase this now. Done. Now what left? These all done. This is left only. So H is copyright A. H copyright A means H is mother of A. H is mother of A. It means H is wife of A. Sorry, H is wife of V. So this is our final arrangement. Okay, I hope you understand. Listen guys, you may have seen the videos in that many, you will found many videos on YouTube that the teacher will say you just this trick, and using this trick you will no need to draw this diagram. Okay, that are good, but that can be implemented. That method we can use only for prelims. In mains exam I would not recommend you to use that shortcut tricks. Okay, that are good for mains, but one more thing, if you see the teacher, they only do the one type of question. They not do all type of question. Many type of question are there na, so we cannot go by that shortcut trick to solve all the question. This is the basic. This will not never stop, but that shortcut trick, using the shortcut tricks you can stuck. So that's why I would recommend you this. I hope you like this video. And one more thing I forgot to tell in the beginning of video, that if I made any mistake during the video, please avoid that and always focus to the content. Earlier also in my videos I told that same thing. I am not a teacher of English, I just know the basics. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please please give your reviews in the comment box. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.